Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court at Law Number 2. My name is Terrence Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have two dockets. We have an announcement docket and we have a motion to revoke probation docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are representing yourself or if you do not have an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. First case is cause number 25 CCCR 2452. Case is style of state of Texas versus Carter Joe Booth. Mr. Booth is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Booth, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Booth, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Dustin Galmore. Attorney Dustin Galmore is not here. Standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm great, good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. And Mr. Andrew Hubel, again, how are you doing?
Doing well, just thank you.
And Ms. Simmons, what is your announcement in Mr. Booth's case?
Mr. Galmore's still working through the discovery at this time, Your Honor. We'd ask if we could keep this on the announcement docket.
Okay, how many resets have they had?
I think he needs to come in and review video as well.
It does not look like a particularly old case, Your Honor.
Yeah, and I'm looking at number of resets. He had 4? Okay, this is gonna be his last reset.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna reset this case. Keep it on the, let's put it on the pretrial conference docket. Okay. No, let's keep it on the announcement docket, and once he gets through the discovery.
May 27th.
May 27th.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case will be reset to May 27th, 2026. You'll get your reset. Now, he has another case.
I believe he's on Zoom as well, Mr.
Yes. Next case is cause number M331291. Case is style of state of Texas versus David Rayner. Mr. Rayner is appearing via Zoom. Now, Mr. Booth, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Rayner, you can take your mic off of mute and you can turn your video on. He was on, there he is. How are
Yes,
you
sir.
doing, Mr. Rayner?
Doing good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Rayner, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. Attorney Galmore is not here. However, standing in for Attorney Galmore is Attorney Haley Simmons. Does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore? Mr. Rayner, does Ms. Simmons have your permission to stand in for Attorney Galmore?
Yes, sir, she does.
Okay. Now, Ms. Simmons, what's your announcement?
I guess, Your Honor, we're waiting on a few things from our client so we can apply for PPD.
Okay.
Those from him, but we will be submitting
Yeah.
the application.
Okay, this case is old.
I understand, Your Honor. It was reset quite a bit.
Yeah, it's gonna put it like I said, we're gonna put it on a trial docket. So if he doesn't get in the pretrial diversion, then we'll be going to trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
Good.
yeah, let's reset this onto the trial docket. Okay, this case is reset to June 1st, 2026. Okay, trial or pretrial diversion. And Mr. Rayner, your case is set for trial or pretrial diversion for June 26th, June 1st of 2026. Check with your attorney. They'll be giving notice of your reset. And you can also check with your bondsman. You're free to go and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right.
believe that's all on his court, Judge McPhee.
Okay, okay, Mr. Gilthorpe is here for his. Okay, you're free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Gosh. I don't see his name.
You're looking for Jared Clear on?
No, I was looking for Mr. Boudreaux. I was looking. I didn't see his name, so I thought he might have been here for like a Todd Takash case. I don't see a Takash case either. Okay. Next case is cause number 25 CCCR 2940, case of Style State of Texas versus Salvador De La Torre Garcia. Does he? Okay. Okay, this is Salvador De La Torre Garcia, is that correct? How are you doing?
Fine.
You doing fine? That's good. Now, Mr. Torre Garcia is represented by attorney Tom Roebuck. And Mr. Roebuck, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thanks for asking. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking as well. Now, Mr. Roebuck, what is your announcement in Mr. Torre Garcia's case?
Your Honor, if I could have one more reset to see if I can negotiate it. I think we'll be ready.
Okay, hold on a minute. No, oh, there it is. Letters. Miss, hold on a minute. Miss. Okay, I see it. Okay, I was looking for the bond conditions and I see he has a GPS.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay, give us a reset. Give us a reset.
Sorry, on May 27th.
Fine.
May 27th, Judge.
This case is reset to May 27th.
Yes.
Okay, this case is reset to May 27th, 2026. Mr. Roebuck, once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. And Mr. Torre Garcia, once you get your reset from your attorney, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Big stand over here. Crystal Francis. Please stand in the front, ma'am. Ms. Francis, your full name is Crystal M. Francis.
Yes.
How are you doing, Ms. Francis?
Fine.
That's good. Excuse me. Now, Ms. Francis, you appeared in court on March 17th, 2026. At that time, you stated that you needed time to hire an attorney. Have you hired your attorney?
It's a payment. So I'm trying to see if I can, get my court date reset. So
Okay, this is gonna be your last reset,
it's fine.
okay? We gonna notice a last reset to hire. Okay? So you're gonna get your reset. Oh, why is this? Okay, hold on a minute. This is 300 days old. Took a while to arrest us. Oh, okay, yeah, it took a while for them to arrest her. Okay, okay. You're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you're blessed day. What's that reset day?
May 20.
May 29th of 2026. Okay, once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Is anybody working on a plea?
I just turned one into.
Yeah.
How much time? Rather than to know. Then I put emails.
Everybody else have attorneys. Mr. Boudreaux. I don't see your name on the docket.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, I don't see your name on the docket. I think that case was reset.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I was just resting a minute.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, everybody else, you have attorneys, and so what we need to do, a lot of attorneys are next door, and so we'll wait for your attorney to arrive. I know I saw Attorney Gilthorpe, I saw Attorney
Vasquez.
LeBlanc and Vasquez on this.
Burbanks is here, he should be next door.
Right. Okay, so the court will be in recess. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in cause number 25 CCCR 2736. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Derica Monique Calloway. Ms. Calloway, would you please come forward with your attorney? Derek, okay. I said Derica, huh? Yes, sir. Okay, Ms. Calloway, would you please raise your right hand? You swear firm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. You may put your hand down. How are you doing? That's good. Now, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Nathan Reynolds. Mr. Reynolds, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Mr. Reynolds, do you waive a record
I
in Ms. Calloway's case?
do, Judge.
And the state is represented in this case by attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, how are you doing?
Wonderful, Your Honor. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. And Ms. Calloway, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Derica Monique Calloway, on or about March 22nd, 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of criminal trespass. Ms. Calloway, do you understand what you have been charged with? To this charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty? Yes. Ms. Calloway, I also have before me a document on my computer tablet that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, DC, on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of the Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? Ms. Calloway, before you signed and initialed these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over? Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge? Ms. Calloway, are you a citizen of the United States?
State law for State Exhibit 1.
Any objections?
No objection, States 1.
No objections. States Exhibit Number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. Reynolds, you have advised and counseled Ms. Calloway. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
None to my knowledge.
And Ms. Calloway, your attorney, Mr. Reynolds, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation? Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Ms. Calloway, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The essential terms are as follows: 6 months deferred adjudication, 20 hours community service, $150 fine.
What's the
277.
277 is court cost? 350 attorney. Okay. Ms. Calloway, the state is offering that you serve 6 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 6-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $150 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $6 a month, your analysis fee of $15 a month, and a reimbursement fee of $15. You'll also be required to reimburse Jefferson County Court appointed attorney's fees of $350. Your total monthly installments is $248 a month. Are you able to pay the $248 a month? Okay. Okay, Ms. Calloway. I have before me a document that is titled Jefferson County Affidavit of Interest. I'm handing this document to your attorney and he will hand it to you for you to review. Please review that document. Okay, have you reviewed the document? Is everything on that document still true and correct today?
It's not.
It's not. Could you give him a pen so you can make, so she can make those changes?
What changes would you make? Says she has no income, but she no longer has expenses either.
Okay, well, she just marked zeros, scratched through it, yeah.
I'm just gonna-
Okay, thank you. Let's see. Okay. Ms. Calloway, the state, well, the court is going to find that you're indigent and pursuant to Article 42.15 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The fine of $150 plus court costs of $277 will be converted to 34 hours of community service. The attorney's fees of $350 will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05G-11 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $15 will also be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. Probation fee will be reduced to the statutory minimum of $25 a month. You will be required to pay the urinalysis fee of $15 a month. Your total monthly installments in this case is $48 a month. Okay. You'll also be required to perform 20 hours of community service in addition to the 34 hours of community service that was converted from the fine and court costs, which comes to a total of 54 hours of community service. And you will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Ms. Calloway, do you understand the state's offer and the findings that the court has made in this case? And do you think that is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
And do you accept it? Okay, I'll follow the people are in agreement with the court's findings. Ms. Calloway, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for a non-disclosure, where your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney, Mr. Reynolds, about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Okay, so you're gonna have a seat in that chair, second chair on the wall, and wait for your name to be called. Once your name is called, and go to the window. Once you finish with the bailiff, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Mr. Reynolds, is this your only case?
It is, Judge.
Okay, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Torian Thomas.
Good morning. Good morning.
Court is in session in 3 cases. Cause numbers 26CCCR0150, cause number 26CCCR0468, cause number 26CCCR0470. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Torian Thomas. Mr. Thomas, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Thomas?
Good.
That's good. Mr. Thomas, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Joe Vasquez. Attorney Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, John. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Vasquez, what are your announcements in Mr. Thomas's cases?
If we have another announcement on these matters, I need to go over the discovery of Mr. Thomas, and the state is talking to the complaining witness about the case.
Okay, have you received an offer?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay. Well, you probably need to,
I think they need to talk to the,
okay, well, we're gonna get, how many, this is the second,
There's only 49.
I was just looking at this recess. So you were appointed, you just was appointed in last month, right?
this is the first time I've been here.
Okay.
I think the case is,
It's, I know it's, according to his, it's, 53 days old. Okay, so we're gonna give you a reset, and next time you come back, we need to have your you already have your offer, I mean, not your offer, but you have discovery, and you get an offer, and then we're gonna just put it in motion for either plea or trial,
thank you, Judge.
okay? All right, give me, what's the reset date? This case is reset to May 27th of 2026.
I get the students.
You can get it from her, or you can get it from the front desk. He can get it from Jennifer. Excuse. How old are you?
Nick, 17.
Okay. Yeah, he needed an excuse for school. All right, you can get your reset. Hold on, did it? Make sure, hold on, make sure I got bond conditions in this case before it's on the button. Oh, it's already been reset. Could you see if he have bond conditions? He should. You do?
But what you mean condition?
But you can't commit another offense against this state, any other state, or against the United States. You cannot have any contact with the complaining witness in this case. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, did we give you that the last time?
Yes, sir.
He is fine.
Okay, all right. Just get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And what grade are you in? What grade are you in?
Sir, what grade I'm in?
Yeah. Huh?
11.
Okay. Now, we should have, I didn't, okay, we didn't do it, but I don't want to see a grade less than a C.
Oh, yeah, you had told me that last time.
I did?
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
I was finna call up and see if I could reschedule because you testing today. But
You should have
It
rescheduled.
was too late. I was already up. But we retest the process. So I'm good.
Okay. Yeah, if you got tests and stuff, you don't need to be here. You need to let your attorney know so that they can make get the case reset.
I ain't know I had X too late. I was already up.
Yeah, but you gotta stay on top of that kind of stuff.
Yes, sir.
Now, next time you come in, I want to see your report card.
All right.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, and I'm not only looking for your grades in your class, but I'm also looking for conduct. Okay? Okay.
If you got a test, just call us and let us know. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. You good.
Hold on a minute. Okay. Miss, it's whoever prosecuted here. Case. He said, we got Shaw. It's whoever's here, case. Okay. Okay, you want Barry Shaw? Mr. Shaw and Mr. Gilliam?
Yes, sir.
Are we doing fine?
I mean,
Who's the prosecutor? Okay, this is cause number 24 CCCR 1318, case of South State of Texas versus. Well, we have two cases. The other case is cause number 25 CCCR 1294. Both cases are South State of Texas versus Barry DeAndre Shaw III. Is that correct?
yes,
Mr. Shaw? How you doing, Mr. Shaw?
how you doing?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Shaw, you're representing your cases by your attorney, Todd LeBlanc. Mr. LeBlanc, how are you doing?
Good job.
Okay, now, Mr. Shaw, the last time we were here, well, first of all, your probation was revoked. Well, it wasn't revoked, but we had got a PSI. You had entered pleas of true minute into allegations. This is Shaw. Which one was the? And then we had a PSI. We reviewed the PSI. And the court reset this case for a status hearing. Is that correct?
I believe so, yes.
Yes.
Is that correct,
sir.
Mr. Gilliam?
Yes, sir.
And
However, Judge, at that hearing that quasi hearing that we had, dealt with bond conditions and they wanted to revoke his bond, I think is what it was. I don't know that we weren't here on the motion to revoke itself. I'm not, like, it had to do with bond
oh, it
conditions.
was the bond conditions. He was in jail for we had set the bond and then he bonded out after serving some time in jail. Is that correct? Hold on,
Yes.
let me make sure. Let me make sure. I'm looking at it right now. Motion. Let's see, so. Yeah, no, I have here, he pled true on February 19th, 2026 to allegations 3 and 4. Allegation 3, he pled true to failing to pay court assessed fees as ordered by the court. And as of October 2nd, he was 2,000, he was $1,279 in arrears in violation of condition 9. He pled true to that. He also pled true that he failed to perform community service hours as required by the court in violation of condition 17 of the probation order. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah. So it wasn't the bond. We started off with the bond conditions, but
We didn't have a hearing on the motion, that's what I'm saying. I think we pled to him.
well, there was a hearing if he pled true. It wasn't contested.
Right.
Yeah, we didn't have a contested here. Okay, so, and then that's why we ordered the PSI. We wouldn't order PSI if he just had bond conditions. And I think the last time we all had stated that we had an opportunity and we read the PSI, no one had any objections or any additions or deletions. Let's see, let me look at the PSI. Order bond survey. There it is. Let's see. Yeah, I've read the PSI. And so actually, the court took the matter under advisement. And since that day, Mr. Gilliam,
Yes, sir.
what has he done?
He hasn't made any payments. He's done some community service and he did test clean today. He was negative for all tests of substances earlier today.
Okay, so he was negative
Oh,
today.
and he did enroll in BIP.
Okay, so he's going to BIP, negative drug screening, and he did community service.
He started.
Community service, but he hasn't made no payments. Right, understand that.
And
So-
Judge, at the time we were here, I think he had just gotten the job.
He had just started a job at a car wash or something, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Are you still at the car wash?
Yes, sir. I haven't went to work, but it's been raining, bro. I'm supposed to go to work, it's falling.
I understand.
The last positive test was February 12th. Oh, yeah, that was all before this. No, it was during this probation.
Yeah, but, well, it wasn't.
No, those charges were dismissed. Or never, no, not just never.
Right. They had some allegations in the motion to revoke probation that was it wasn't never followed, it was refused by the district attorney's office, if I'm not mistaken. Is that correct?
I believe.
Matter of fact, that's what the PSI stated too.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, those cases was the violation of protective order was refused. The assault causing bodily injury was refused. And the terrorist, all those cases, that was part of this motion was refused. So in a sense, the only thing he has currently actually are technical violations.
Correct.
Okay,
I think the district attorney's office was concerned about the fact that it was the same
yeah, but these are,
alleged victim in,
but they're the allegations. I mean, we can't,
yes,
you can't punish him for allegation.
yes,
I mean, because, I mean, nothing has been proven. I mean, the state refused the case. It's not like it's not like it was an extraneous offense. I mean, the state refused the case.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to amend and extend his probation for another year. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna amend and extend his probation for a year. And is there any other condition that you think that he may need in addition to the conditions that he already has?
I believe so.
Yeah, he does have an ankle monitor on too, and then.
Okay, hold on a minute. We'll deal with that.
No contact with the victim is already a condition, correct?
No contact is already a condition, right?
No, it's not.
Is not?
No, that's what I was looking at to make sure I took both certificates.
Okay.
One of the cases is expired already. Is that to change anything? Or
We have, we have a year within the time that expired to
Sure.
extend, yeah,
You're still good. But we would ask for no contact or be placed
and no contact.
with the.
Okay, Mr. Shaw. You cannot have any contact with the victim.
Yes, sir.
In, is it the same victim in both cases? Let's see. Yes, Shaw. No, that's a evading, so that's not it's in the assault. It's in the assault.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yep.
There will be no contact. His probation is gonna be extended for another year. And we're gonna reset it for a status hearing in 60 days. Okay? Just in 60 days, you're gonna have to come back and we're gonna see how you're doing on your probation. Okay? I know you have been. We want to make sure that you continue to do it.
I will, there's no doubt about it.
Okay, well, I know going to jail was a shock. We call that shock probation. Okay, so he was in jail for about a month, right? Yeah, it wasn't fun, huh? It wasn't like they say on the streets. It wasn't like it wasn't like to say, don't believe the hype, right? So it wasn't like you thought, huh?
So.
Okay. That was yeah, okay. But we're gonna make sure that we keep a short leash on you. And so we're gonna see you back in 2 months. Now, you did some community service. Since the last time we saw you, you did community service, you did BIP, and what else? He did community service, BIP, and clean and a clean you. We're gonna keep on checking. Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we having what they call let's say zero tolerance.
Sir, does that mean the MTRPs are dismissed or they just ride until 60 days?
No, the MTRP, he's been continued on probation.
Okay,
So it's
the
like
MTRP is
amended,
dismissed.
yeah, they amended. Yeah,
Okay,
they amended. His probation has been amended. Yeah, it's not dismissed because he's playing on. And so we amended his probation. We amended and extended his probation. So he's been modified. So he's still on probation. He got another year.
but there's not an active MTRP at this point.
No. No, because he played true. And I make those findings. Hmm?
By the time I come back, I've been completed the whole, billing decisions.
We'll see. Okay, we'll see.
Judge, he's coming.
Well, at least you have a goal set. That's good. You have something to reach for, okay? And we're gonna hold you to it. We're gonna see if you're a man of your word. All right?
So Judge, I'm clear, when we come back, the motion to revoke won't be.
It's that now his probation has not been revoked. It's being modified. We amended and extended his probation.
Okay, so the
He's
status
still on
hearing-
probation.
What if the
The status hearing, yeah, you won't be in line. It's just for him. That's just for him in the probation. So we can make sure that he's doing what he's supposed to do while he's on probation.
But in the event that we say he's not in 60 days.
Oh, they can file another motion.
They'll have to file, in other words,
Yeah.
go to jail then.
They can file another motion, revoke. Okay, so,
I just want to make sure.
okay, so what we're gonna do, his probation, we need an order. Do you have, we're gonna have to do an order to that effect. Okay, just have a seat.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Judge, can I approach real
What's
quick?
the 60 days?
that's just a status here,
Let me get that date.
just to kind of check to see.
June 24th. Two cases. That's what you can make in the minutes. And then.
Oops.
Oh, okay, so that's not. Yeah.
Mr. Wilkerson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Are you, any of your people here?
Nope. That's why I asked.
Okay, that's.
Okay, Nicholas Keon Crossan. Nicholas Crossan. Nicholas Crossan was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Nicholas Crossan at the courthouse door. Nicholas Crossan did not answer. A reason was, well, the time now is 10:17 a.m. on today's date of April 22nd, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Nicholas Crossan at the courthouse door? Nicholas Crossan's name was just called again at the courthouse door. Nicholas Crossan did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Crossan an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. State, do you have a motion? That motion will be granted. Nicholas Crossan bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 26 CCCR 0148. Next case is cause number 24 CCCR 1170. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Marcus Holt. Marcus Holt was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Marcus Holt name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Marcus Holt did not answer. Marcus Holt has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 10:18 a.m. on today's date of April 22nd, 2026. Ms. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Marcus Holt at the courthouse door? Marcus Holt name was just called again at the courthouse door. Marcus Holt did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Holt an opportunity to appear in court. He is not appearing in court. State, do you have a motion? That motion will be granted to Marcus Holt. Bond will forfeit and the warrant shall be issued for his arrest and cause number 24 CCCR 1170. That's Mr. Wilkerson. You're free to go. That's kind of strange that
Both of them didn't show up. Yes, sir, I agree. Especially since one was looking.
seemed like Holt was he? I don't know why.
I think there was at one time, I believe the bailiff believed he might have been, but then it was scratched out.
Yeah.
So I think maybe there was a,
Mix up.
yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay. We have any pleas?
No.
Dominic White. Okay, Mr. White, your full name is Dominic N. White. How are you doing, Mr. White?
I'm doing good service.
That's good. I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. White, you're represented by your attorney James Macon. And Mr. Macon, how are you doing?
I'm doing wonderful.
That's good. Now, Mr. Macon, what's your announcement in Mr. White's case?
Your Honor, I've got the discovery and I've been in touch with Cornelius, who was going to get back to me with an offer, but I don't see him today and he's not got back with me for an offer. I'm
Okay,
sure he's been replaced by someone and I'll find out.
hold on a minute. Let me see. This is
He hasn't been replacing his job today, though.
Oh, he's just out today.
hold on a minute. This case. Let's see, White. Okay. White. Macon. Yeah. I was looking for Macon's name on here. Is this right?
It's the only case I have.
It should be on my thing. Now, how this case is 462 days old. Let's see, he was given bond conditions last year in May. So that's probably his arraignment date, I would imagine. Huh? Okay, let me see. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we have. That's it. Yeah. What happened? I don't see nothing after May 9th of 2025.
It makes it hard.
I don't see nothing. Only thing I see is bond conditions. That's the last thing I see in the file. When was his last court date?
I have to go to doctor. Yeah, they were here.
Documents? I don't see documents.
That's how you were. They were here, both of them, we can watch the video.
I don't see documents.
It's up here on the line.
Go back.
It's not something.
Summer.
Okay.
Like in other cases.
See all the way at the top, you see all the. Go down.
That's an unstarted.
Where?
Click that arrow, to your right, all the way to your right.
With that.
Click that over there, when it goes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All it is, yeah, he didn't have 3 resets. So this is, we gotta put this in either trial mode or plea mode.
Your Honor, I think it would be a plea if I could hear from Cornelius.
Okay, well, we're gonna,
Say reset it for 30 days.
yeah, we're gonna reset it for plea in 30 days. Okay?
That'll be fine.
And we're gonna make sure that you get an offer. Well, the other prosecutors that was on the case should have gave you an offer too. But let me see, for some reason, I see the last document, magistrate's warning was 2025, and then it was a reset in March of 2026. Seemed like there was a year break.
Like, when I was in this court a year ago, Your Honor, I did make an offer at that point. It has been a year. I can reconvey it.
Okay. So he's gonna reconvey the offer that they made a year ago.
We'll
Okay,
discuss it.
okay. So it's gonna be, we're gonna reset it for a plea. Give us a date. Okay, this case is reset to June 1st, 2026 for a plea.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Is this your only case?
It is.
All right, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Mr.
Yes. Keep talking. Yeah.
Anybody? Good on you? Okay. Christopher Nation. Okay, this is cause number 25 CCCR 2856. Case is South State of Texas versus Christopher Nation. Mr. Nation, is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Nation? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Nation. You're represented by your attorney, Attorney Tom Burbank. And Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
Fine, good.
That's good. Mr. Burbank, what's your announcement in Mr. Nation's case?
Your Honor, the prosecutor and I have been talking to resolve this. We need just one reset and it should hopefully be resolved.
Okay, we'll set it on a plea docket.
How about an announcement docket? Because if I don't like what the resolution.
Okay,
is-
let's see, notice of resetting. Let me see it. You were appointed, you was just appointed in February. And March.
This is, I believe, our first setting.
Yeah, so this is your first setting. Okay, we'll reset it. So you have your discovery?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, they provided everything,
Okay.
and then, as I said, we've been talking.
this needs your offer.
He needs to look into some things that we have disclosed.
Okay, give us a reset date.
May 27th.
This case is reset to May 27th, 2026 for an announcement. And Mr. Nation, you get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go.
Yes, sir.
You have a blessed day. And Mr. Burbank, you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Your Honor.
Mr. Rennick, you ready on yours? Or are you still talking?
I'm just with Cornelius.
Okay.
And I haven't been able to change obvious enemies, what's going on.
Okay,
And Andrew.
well, either one of them, you could get a prosecutor.
I was gonna probably just ask for a reset, because I haven't changed up the provider.
Okay, hold on a minute.
I don't mean that with any disrespect, I know there's other things going on. Excuse me.
Raina Isabella Morgan. Rena Isabella Morgan.
She's present.
Oh.
Yeah. The officer.
What we're gonna have to give, there's gonna be a judgment that we have to, it's an amend and extend. I'm gonna have to get is there anything on ProDot? I mean, on,
It's nothing.
he amended it and extended his, it's an amendment. You know how we get those amendment motions from the, probation?
Yeah, there's two different discharge dates. One's.
No. No, but I'm just saying, do you have, one of those orders, one of those amend and extend?
Don't so that I had amended, one that I had. I have amended,
Okay,
but I can do an extension on this one.
okay, do that.
Sir, one other question before I start writing this, when, not the case that hadn't expired, that's easy, but the one that, has expired, do I put the 1 year expiration or the 1 year extension from the
From the time
expiration
that it-
date
right.
from today's date?
Right. You could do it from, no, his expiration date, like we always do.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So it's another, yeah,
Oh.
okay. Okay, so this is, how you pronounce your first name? Rena. Rena, okay. And how are you doing, Miss Morgan? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Miss Morgan, you are represented by your attorney, Attorney Scott Rennick. Mr. Rennick, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. Thank you. How are you, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, the state is represented in this case, well, the state is represented by their probation officer, Mr. Gary Gilliam, and represented by Attorney Andrew Fugel. Let's see, I'm looking in the file. So, Mr. Rennick, I see that you was just hired in March of this year, is that
Yes.
correct? So it was last month,
And Your Honor, this is.
your first appearance?
Yes, and Mr. Williams, I know, has a family matter going
I
on.
understand.
And so I just haven't been able to reach them. So I just wanted to get with him so I could discuss any options too.
Okay, now have you received your discovery in the
Yes,
case?
we received discovery, Judge.
Okay, so you just need an offer?
Yeah, and I need to offer, so since my client, she can discuss with me.
Okay.
And again, Judge has said, no disrespect, because I completely understand. He has-
Yeah, no, that's no problem.
Yes.
Okay, I mean, it's just your first appearance anyway. So give us a reset date. This case is reset to May 27th, 2026. Once you get your reset, Mr. Rennick, you're free to go, and Ms. Morgan, you'll be free to go as well. Please stand in front of the court coordinator, Ms. Morgan.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Mr. Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell,
Yes, Judge.
are you ready on Earl Carson Guy?
Yes, Judge.
Yeah, we're just gonna ask for a reset. It's first setting.
Mr. Guy, your full name is Earl Carson Guy?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Guy?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Attorney rep. Notice of setting. Let's see, we got your attorney rep letter back in November of 2025.
Yes, Judge.
Sent a notice of setting November.
This is my first announcement, I believe.
So I'm trying to see. Yeah, I don't see any other paperwork in the file I guess they hadn't had anything since November. That's strange. It's been 4 months.
There's 4 settings.
First month in
But maybe he would, you know.
Hold on a minute. Let me-
Yeah, before, maybe. it was
Hold on,
before.
documents.
Right, so he's.
Hold on, let me see. All of those settings was in, I don't know. No, let's see, misdemeanor. His reset misdemeanor was on November the 24th. And then he had a January setting and a March.
The March setting, Judge, was in
Setting.
because I was.
It was emergency.
Yeah, I felt ill in February during trial, so.
Yeah. Right. So he did have at least 2 set, okay. Now, have you received your, discovery in the case?
Yes, Judge, I have. We're gonna be filing for blood discovery from the lab, and I'm also in talks with the state to see if we can come to a resolution on the case, Judge.
Okay, if you're gonna file your blood discovery, make sure that you don't delay. I mean, you need to file it.
No, absolutely, Judge. It'll get filed this week.
Yeah, because, we're not gonna be prolonging the case. We can get the blood discovery.
Yes, sir.
as soon
We're
as
gonna
possible.
continue discussing possible resolutions in the
Okay.
case. We just want to go ahead and get that on file so that it doesn't prolong the case.
Right.
We're unable to settle it.
Okay, give us a reset date. This case is reset to May 29th, 2026. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go.
Thank you, Judge.
Once you get your reset from our coordinator, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. You have a blessed day as well.
I'll get you, sir. Blood discovery. Thank you, sir.
Yo. Odilio Pelico Garcia. Mr. Garcia, your full name is Odilio Pelico Garcia? Okay. Now, does he speak English?
Speak some English, not a lot.
No?
But a little
Okay.
bit.
A little bit.
But for today's announcement, I don't think we need.
Okay, I see that he has, well, you represented in your case by your attorney, Jared Gilthorpe. Mr. Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. How are you?
And I'm doing fine. And Mr. Garcia, ¿cómo está? Yeah, good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, I see that he has a new case. You're on the new case and then the new case, we don't see that you sent a letter rep on it. It's a DWI. I guess they recently filed it. The offenses occurred on the same date.
I have not followed the letter. If he's showed me, it's just 11, they call it 11 days.
Right,
ago.
right, right.
I'm sure we will be. I'll send over a letter.
Okay. So give us a reset date.
Yeah.
They just took a year I guess they probably had blood in it or something, took a year to file.
That would be my guess.
Give us a reset date.
May 29th.
Okay, these cases will be reset to May 29th, 2026. And we'll give you an opportunity to get your letter up and your discovery.
I imagine it's the same discovery.
Yeah,
That's
that's the same offense date.
So,
Okay, Mr. Garcia, you're gonna get your reset
maybe I don't know.
from your attorney. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. And Mr. Gilthorpe, once you get your reset, you're free to go as well. Both y'all have a blessed day.
Did he have one?
Just hold on.
Make it.
Yeah.
Hey, 5 minutes. It's okay too.
Yeah, I'm talking on the case. Okay, the court will be in recess. Okay, Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in the state of, in cause number, excuse me, 24 CCCR 1654, case of style of state of Texas versus Jody Christopher Buckley Jr. Mr. Buckley, how are you doing?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Mr. Buckley, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Christy Carlton. Ms. Carlton, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor.
That's good. And Ms. Nixon, what's the state's position in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Buckley has made the payment he was supposed to make by today. He did
Okay.
all of his community service and he's done his stuff class, so we're just going to just another 60 days to pay another $600.
Okay, so he's paying on his fine fees and costs.
Yes, Your Honor, he is.
So what is the balance so far?
The current balance is $1,200, 1280, I believe, 1272.
Oh, so he's gonna pay 600 of that?
He
That's what you're
paid
saying?
600 in the last 60 days along with doing his theft class, and we had said do 30 hours of community service. He did all 50. So the only thing he has left now is 1287. We're gonna give him 60 days to pay 600 of it, and 60 days to do the end.
Okay, let me do this. How much jail time does he have?
I split that one up.
Oh.
I don't have that one.
Because we can, if he has jail time, we could credit jail time toward the fine fees and costs, and that would reduce the balance.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay, so y'all could
Well, I do believe I was in jail for 15 days, George, sir.
where?
And I got arrested in Jasper, and then they transferred me over.
Oh. If that's the case, he might be wiped out. He might be through. Yeah. If we can, if that can be verified.
I don't know. Be true.
No, I don't know what y'all want to do with it. No, well, what he can do, we can give him credit toward it. Yeah,
Because he's doing everything he needs to be doing.
yeah, right.
He was a decent record, but
Is, I don't know if
Really? 6 in
6 in this county.
Jefferson County. I don't know what that's in Hardin.
I
He's in
think,
Jasper.
yeah, but sometimes, now let me ask you this here. When you was arrested in Jasper County, did they extradite you here?
yeah,
So it'll show in the, we're gonna have to get them to look it up. It'll show when they placed the hold on him, and then why they placed the hold on him, he get that credit.
Okay, wonderful.
And then, and they'll show when they brought him here. So whenever they placed the hold on him, his time has started running then. So,
yes, sir.
but there's a spot in the, they have to look it up in the system.
Okay,
It's not just, he has 6 days here, but then there's something in the system that show when at least they placed a hold on him, on how many days he may have been there.
do you wish for us to sit down?
Yeah, he have to sit down so they can figure that out. Okay. Let me do this. Next three cases are Randy Johnson. Mr. Johnson, would you come forward? It's on the motion to revoke probation docket. The cases are cause numbers 26 CCCR 0457, cause number 24 CCCR
I'm here.
0774, and cause number 24 CCCR 3020. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Randy J. Johnson or Randy James Johnson. Mr. Johnson, is that your full name? How are you doing, Mr. Johnson?
I'm here, Judge.
Okay. And Mr. Johnson, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Langston Adams, who is appearing via Zoom. And Mr. Adams, how are you doing?
Oh, doing well.
And Mr. Johnson, how are you doing? And Mr. Hubel or Mr. Gilliam, what's the state's position? I see that he has, I'm just looking at the docket. Apparently he has a motion to revoke probation on a felony case. And he has a new misdemeanor case that has been filed. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. It's my understanding the MTRP on the felony side has been dismissed.
Oh, it has?
That's my understanding from the officer.
I got arrested. They picked me up boy, cause I think y'all got my cases ran concurrent. Cause I got felony, I got a felony and then with the misdemeanor.
Yeah, what he's saying that Mr. Gilliam is saying that he think the felony motion to revoke probation may have been dismissed.
It looks like a black.
Get your status hearing on May 1st.
Okay.
Like I go to court for them.
May 1st?
May 1st.
Oh, okay, so it says we reset to May 1st. Now, Mr. Adams,
Yes, sir. I'm here.
we're going to reset, he has his felony cases set for May 1st, and we'll reset these cases till that same date,
It's fantastic.
okay? Hold on a minute. So now, Mr. Johnson, on that date, May 1st of 2026, you need to come here first, check in with the bailiff, and then go to the felony court. And then once you finish your felony court, come back here and let us know what happened on the felony case, okay? Yes, just like you did the last time. Now, you're going to get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your resets, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And let's see, Sarah Edgerton.
Yeah.
Now, Mr.
I'm here.
His number will be on your paperwork. No, he was asking for your number. We told him that your phone number will be on his paperwork.
No problem.
Okay, Ms. Edgerton, would you please come forward? You are also represented in your case by attorney Langston Adams. And Ms. Edgerton, your full name is Sarah Elizabeth Edgerton.
Yes.
How are you doing, Ms. Edgerton?
Okay, how are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Adams.
Hey,
Ms.
yeah, I'm
Edgerton-
looking at my notes on Sarah Edwardson. Yesterday, I sent email to the DA's office for discovery. If Andrew is that Andrew in there? I can't
Yes.
see. Yeah. Did y'all release it to me? Because I sent the email yesterday on her. I'm looking at my notes. I sent it on 4/21/26 on Sarah Edwardson for discovery.
Yeah, it's been released.
Yes, he says it's been released.
Okay, well, Judge, if you wouldn't mind, if she can come in Tuesday and look at her discovery next week at 4 o'clock, then we can go. And I'll print the discovery off of the web page.
Okay, Ms. Edgerton, did you hear that?
So that will not be at his office?
Yes.
Okay, I have two special needs kids, like the baby able to come with me, 'cause I don't have anybody to watch.
You can ask him that. Yeah, you have, his phone number is gonna be on the
Paperwork.
paperwork, so you can call him and ask him that.
Okay.
Okay, so your case is reset until, when our case is reset to?
May 29th.
This case is reset until May 29th, 2026. And your attorney wants you to come in next Tuesday at 4 p.m. You get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman, and you have a blessed day. And kiss those babies for me.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Okay. Okay, Mr. Adams, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Which one? Oh, you got it?
What,
Okay. This is, this is cause number 24 CCCR 0914, case of Style State of Texas versus Martavian DeMarcus Evans. Ms. Evans, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Evans?
Good.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Evans. You're represented by your attorney Giles Cole, and Mr. Cole was just, well, he was given notice that he was appointed to represent you. And however, there was no contact information that he had of you. And oh, there he is right there. Okay. There he is.
Hey, y'all.
Okay. We're gonna, yeah, but Miss Collier, how do you pronounce your first name?
Michaelia.
Michaelia, how are you doing? That's good. You represented your case by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimler. Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you, Your Honor.
That's good. And Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Ms. Collier's case?
We're requesting a jury trial, Your Honor.
Reset for trial. Okay, give us a jury trial setting. Oh, get his order to take his ankle monitor off. That's on Mr.
Did you have her sentencing today? Her sentencing and
She misled, they pled her to straight probation on the police, she's not that, so it's an illegal probation, it's an illegal sentence. I think they're gonna have to give her a plea back, we'll start over on the felony. But she's, probation, she's not illegal.
Man, something. Yeah.
Can't get straight on 3G. I would file that way in your memory, all lawyers forget that, it's nice. Where?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Then you're right now. I do, because then you don't like, oh, it should be.
Your Honor, does she have an ankle monitor as a condition bond in this case?
Oh, hold on a minute.
She does.
Hold on, let me see. Kimler. Event. I don't see bond conditions that I have. I didn't,
So that she doesn't have.
not that, not in, well, I didn't set a bond condition. I know she had a felony case. Maybe it's a condition of a felony.
Felony bond?
When I went to court from Mount Philip, he was like, he was calling, he was employing $10,000, and then the person on the side of me said, that for her bond, she would like to buy ankle monitor.
That's a felony, yeah.
We'll get it straight 2 weeks from now, right?
Okay.
Okay,
She's reset 2 weeks on the felony, Your Honor, in this case,
okay,
since there's no ankle monitor, just a regular. trial.
okay, what, so, okay, we're gonna be a trial setting, okay, right?
Yes, if she had an ankle monitor as a condition of bond in this case, I'd request for.
We don't have no bond
No, that's
condition.
what I'm saying, she doesn't, so I'm not gonna read that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's set in 2 weeks, right?
Right.
But we resetting this one for trial.
Yeah, let's reset this for trial. It was an illegal sentence on the felony. She got straight probation on the 3G offense. So it's an illegal sentence. That's gonna be.
Supposed to be deferred.
But we'll walk the trial on this.
Give me a reset.
Right.
June 15th, we have a lunch on the first one.
Okay, this case is set, reset for trial June 15th. Miss Collier, you get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And let me see those, I need a bond conditions. Mr. Shaw,
Mr. Campbell,
Yeah.
you wanna give her her report?
Sure. You want to move 1 year from today's date.
okay, Okay. Okay, Mr. Evans, this is cause number 24 CCCR 0914. And the case is filed the state of Texas versus Martavian DeMarcus Evans. Mr. Evans, is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Evans?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Evans. You're represented in your case by your attorney, Attorney Giles Cole. And Mr. Cole, how are you doing?
Doing great, Judge. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. And the state is represented in this case by Attorney Farrah Nixon. Ms. Nixon, I have before me a motion to dismiss the motion to revoke probation. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Evans, and the motion states that he's paid all arrears, community service was waived. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, Mr. Evans, I'm signing this motion to dismiss your motion to revoke your probation. And Mr. Gilliam, has Mr. Evans' probation terminated?
No, sir, he'll expire actually on April the 27th, so he's got about a week.
Okay. Okay, so Mr. Evans, this motion is to revoke probation is being dismissed. You have about 1 more week left on probation. All right, congratulations. And you'll be able to get a copy of this motion from our coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go. You have a blessed day and understand that you're gonna be working out of town.
Yes,
Okay, what state?
it'll be in Alabama.
Alabama? Okay, okay. Well, you have a safe trip. All right, and you have a blessed day. Congratulations.
Yeah, I might be excused.
Yes, you may be excused.
Can you keep that up? Yeah.
Brittany, how are you?
You guys need signature?
I don't even wear it now.
Even one of this, boss.
You want to take it from me?
Yeah, okay.
Thank y'all.
You're welcome.
And I see you got your run tomorrow.
Oh, you? No, you're not, wait.
Yeah, somebody is in jail.
George
Yes.
Childress, I believe.
Yes,
Yeah, I'll be here tomorrow.
yes, I think it was somebody in jail might have had a felony resolved.
Yes.
Mr. Lodge, you got jail. I have the jail right I think so.
Yeah. Let's see.
Thanks. Yeah, please.
Jeff, you can reappoint that to me, if you like. Mr. Lodge, I know this always be a big one, and I didn't to tell you.
No.
Yeah, okay, here we go. This is cause numbers 25 CCCR 2756. Case is filed the state of Texas versus Brittany Howyer. Ms. Howyer, is that your full name? Ms. Howyer, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Ms. Howyer, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Ms. Howyer? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. Howyer, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Ms. DeLage and Ms. Jennifer DeLage. How are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Ms. DeLage, do you waive a record
So
in Ms. Howyer's case?
So
Ms. Howyer, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. Now, did I swear you in? Okay, and in this document, it alleges that you, Brittany Howyer, on or about December 1st of 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense, theft of property that had a value greater than or equal to $750, but less than $2,500. Ms. Howyer, do you understand what you've been charged with? To this charge, Ms. Howyer, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest? Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily? And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges? Ms. Howyer, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. It's also labeled State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, There's a set of initials BH on the line next to a box that's checked no contingent. Did you place your initials on this document? On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature? And on the next document, that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal. Do you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
The next box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled. I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. You recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line as titled defendant? Ms. Howard, before you signed and initialed these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over all of these documents with you? And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Howard, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
CL for stage 1.
No objection.
Any objections? No objection states exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Ms. DeLage, you have a advising counsel, Ms. Howard. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Ms. Howard, your attorney, Ms. DeLage, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with her representation? Has she provided full, effective, and competent legal representation? Ms. Howard, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given, and I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is to 15 months deferred probation with 50 hours community service, $50 fee, and $1,800 in restitution without STIFA.
Okay. And Mr. DeLage, were you appointed in this case?
I was, Your Honor.
That's the first bit from Clubhouse 277.
Someone knows. We'll figure that out and then we'll get them to you.
Is that a restitution?
Yes,
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that 1,800?
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. Okay, Miss Howard, The state is offering that you serve 15 months deferred adjudicated probation. During the 15-month probationary period, you'll be required to pay fine of $50 for score costs of $277. Probation fee of $60 a month, your announcement fee $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15. We're required to reimburse Jefferson County Code appointed attorney's fees of $350. You'll also be required to pay restitution in the amount of $1,800 to Office Depot. Your total monthly installments in this case is $258 a month. Are you able to pay the $258 a month? Okay. 1,800. Miss DeLage, I have a copy of her affidavit of injuries. Could you show that to her?
So that.
Yes, Your Honor, it's all correct.
Okay.
2%.
But that is not.
26.
It's correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
Did you send it? Oh, they are.
Yeah, it's cool. Service.
Okay. I
76.
Oh, sir.
Let's be 26.05 G-1.
June 22nd, 26.
TCCB.
Which means.
That's 18. That's 4281. 562.
I'm gonna ask you who.
Let's see. 225. Okay, now, Miss. Well, let's do this here. Let's tip my head on that. That's 2 from plus 1 equals divided by 14.
There's one, yeah.
1.5. Okay, now, Miss Holly, the state is offering that you serve 15 months deferred adjudicated probation. Now the court has received a copy of your affidavit of injuries. Is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? So the court is going to find that you are indigent. And based on the finding of indigency, the fine of $50 plus court costs of $277 will be converted to 26 hours of community service. The attorney's fees, in this case, $350, will be waived pursuant to Article 26.05 G-11 Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The reimbursement fee of $15 will be waived pursuant to Article 102.018 of Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. The probation fee in this case is going to be waived pursuant to Article 42A.652 because the court has determined that the payment of the reimbursement fee or the probation fee would cause you to have a significant financial hardship. You will be required to pay the restitution in the amount of $1,800 to Office Depot. and you will be required to pay the urinalysis fee of $225, of $15 a month. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay in this case, is $145 a month. You will also be required to perform 50 hours of community service in addition to the 26 hours of community service that was converted from the finding cost, which comes to a total of 76 hours of community service. You also adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Ms. Howard, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just? And do you accept the state's offer? Ms. Howard, I'll follow the plea bargaining agreement that you've entered into with the state. Ms. Howard, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because she's quite competent in those matters. Ms. Howard, just have a seat and so they can do your paperwork. And Ms. DeLage, you're free to go.
Thank
Have a
you,
nice
Your
day. See you tomorrow.
I will see you in the morning.
And Ms. Cawthon?
I called Jasper and he had 10 days credit. They said they picked him up on the 15th of December and he was brought here to our jail on the 25th.
So he got 10 there and 6 here?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that's 16 days credit?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we can give him 16. How much does he owe?
1,287.
That takes care of that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He'll still
So,
be on probation for 2 months.
Yes.
so, who's the
I think
prosecutor?
she's already sent the dismissal. one.
Oh, she did?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. And you got it in the order that is,
Yes, sir.
that he's getting credit for?
Oh, I'm not sure if she wrote that or not.
Yeah, but I think there's that has to go, you know, that order that you have?
Yes, sir.
In that it states that he is I don't know how y'all normally do it. How do you normally do it when you're giving the credit toward the fine and the court costs?
Oh,
Do y'all,
Not on my sheet.
he has credit toward,
Oh, we do have it.
No, he's
Yeah.
getting credit.
Have it right
They're
here.
just gonna revoke him, but they're giving credit for 16 days still.
toward the
Converting it to
balance,
money.
and the balance is 1,200 and something.
You have that receipt that you just sent. Let me see what that.
The dismissal, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. So his terms is being amended, so you dismissing the, okay. Days, is 16 days credit spent in jail, paying,
1,272.
yeah. 1,200, it'll pay off 2,000, yeah, 1,272 balance. Okay? And he's agreeing to that, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, you should raise your right hand, you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Now, Mr. Buckley, I'm showing you an order amending terms of your community supervision, you recognize this document? And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant? Now, before you sign this document, did your attorney and the probation officer go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that they went over?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge? 2, 6, and state, I have before me, Peter, a motion to dismiss, the motion to revoke probation in this case, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. He's completed all terms and conditions, and I'm signing this motion. Okay, just sign the motion. Mr. Buckley, you'll get a copy of this motion to dismiss from our coordinator. Once you get a copy, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Appreciate
And you're free, thank you.
Thank
And Miss Carlton, you'll be free to go as well. Yes. Yes, that's what it is, huh? Yes. Let me see, Buckley. Dismissed.
Sure. Take that to the.
Yeah, you know, you're gonna bring that to the person that have the, who put it on there.
I gotta call them and let them know.
They did it where?
No. And she does, I call her and let her know.
Yeah, you're gonna have to bring that to her. Oh, just hold on a minute.
Do we need to wait?
Yeah, children are not looking up to nobody else to put food on the table, put clothes on their back, put a roof over their head, but you, right? Because you took that responsibility. They didn't ask to come into this world, right? But they're here now and they're your children. And so you have to take care of your responsibility as a man, irregardless of whatever happened to you. Okay, because we know that there are some people who may have situations where their father wasn't there. But guess what? You don't have that option. All right. You're not that person. You're your person, right? And so you should be man enough to go out there and do an honest day's work, to put food on the table, clothes on the back, and a roof over your kid's head. Okay. Sometimes we have to sacrifice, right? In essence, we have to set our personal desires aside to sacrifice for our children. Okay. Somebody did that for me. Somebody did it for you. Believe it or not, somebody did it for all of us. We didn't come here by ourselves. What we are today is not because of all of what we did. It's partly because of what people did for us. And so wherever we get in life, how high we may go, we just midgets sitting on the shoulders of giants. And those giants are those people that's down below us who made the sacrifices so that we will have a better life than they had. Okay. And I'm sure you want your children to have a better life than you. Because I want my children to have a better life than me. That's right. But guess what? You can do it. You built for it. Okay? You built for it. You know, I tell people don't believe the hype. All of that stuff you hear out on the street, hey man, don't believe it. Okay. Old folks used to tell us this here. Misery love company. And what that means is if somebody's miserable, they want you to be miserable with them. Right? They don't want to see, in essence, these days you say, you know, we have haters. Right? You have haters. We all have haters. Right?
Yes, sir.
But guess what? You're greater than your hater. All right? And so you could be an example. You don't have to be a highly, you don't have to be somebody who is well off to be able to help your children. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you know what? That was a gift from God, those children to you. That was a gift, but what you do with those children is your gift to God, back to God, okay? You're just a steward. We're all stewards in life, okay? We're managers. We have responsibilities and duties, and we all have to give an account for the things that we do in this world, all right?
Yes, sir.
But you'll be all right. I think you probably had a wake-up call, okay? And that jail time probably was a wake-up call for you, all right? And so let's hear some good news. Let's hear some more good news. Keep it coming, okay? We heard some good news today from Mr. Gilliam. Based on what you've been doing, keep it going. Okay, just keep it going. And you have a blessed day. All right.
I'll see you.
All right. That's just a status here. That's just a status here. Yeah. And this will conclude the calling of the court's motion to revoke probation docket and announcement docket, both dockets on the day's date of April 22nd, 2026 in County Court at Law Number 2. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day. Mr. Gilliam, you are excused.
Thank you, sir.
Prosecutors, you're excused as well.
Sir?
Okay.
Yes.